Welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare healthy chickpeas cutlets. First of all, add 1 bowl of boiled chickpeas. They are boiled for 5 whistles. Now you have to mash the boiled chickpeas, as you can see. Now mix everything properly with your hand once. Now add finely chopped onions. Add chopped green chili. Add chopped ginger. Add chopped coriander. Squeeze lemon juice. I used 1 lemon. Now add salt according to your taste. Add roasted cumin powder. Add roasted coriander powder. Add red chili powder. Add 2 to 3 spoons of gram flour. Now mix everything properly with your hand. If needed, you can sprinkle little bit of water. Mix everything properly. Now take small portion of the cutlet mixture and give it a shape. Heat a pan and grease little bit oil. Now add the cutlets on the pan on low to medium flame. You have to shallow fry the cutlets. These cutlets are a healthy choice for your kids' snack, and adults can have as dinner too. They are rich in protein. And thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe the video. You can serve the cutlets with green chutney or tomato chutney as your wish. Thank you guys for watching.